This is one of my go-to sugar-free desserts whenever I'm craving something sweet but still want to keep it real, high in protein and made with the whole foods. I started by cracking 3 eggs into my stand-up mixer. To that, I added 1/3 cup of monk fruit sweetener. I'm going to beat the eggs, but let's be honest, they never get fluffy without real sugar. That's just the trade-off with sugar-free baking. In a separate food processor, I added 16 ounces, that's about 500 grams of low-fat cottage cheese. Blend that until completely smooth. Then transfer the cottage cheese to a large mixing bowl. Add 3 ounces or 85 grams of nonfat Greek yogurt. Now pour in the eggs. Yes, they look a little sad and deflated, but again, that's the price of going sugar free. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and stir everything together until smooth. Next, divide the mixture into 4 ramekins or just pour it into one baking dish. That's totally up to you. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. You can also air fry them if you prefer. Once they're done, you can dress them up with a little powdered sweetener, fruit, or even a few chocolate chips. Now, even though I used a water bath and let them cool gradually in the oven, they still deflated. Oh well, it happens all the time to me. But they're still so good. Each serving has 16 grams of protein and just 155 calories. It's a healthy, high protein dessert you can enjoy every single day.